Okay, hello, it's Matt Lockie here and Mark Crossfield. Hello. We've got the golf range chipping challenge. So, objective today, Matt's got the 60-degree vokey wedge. What bounce is on it actually? 4 degrees bounce. Bare lie off the mat. It's got to go over the range barrier and ideally into bay 1. If you can get it into bay 2, you get some points as well. But bay 1 is the objective, so a tough ask. This bay barrier is, well, if you stand up to it, Matt, how tall are you, Matt?
I'm about 5'10".
Okay, so look, that's way up to his chest, so it's a nice high barrier. So let's give it a go. So if you get bored at the range and you want to have a bit of fun chipping, test your feel and control, give this a go. Go on in, Matt.
Behind the yellow line?
It's got to be just on the end of that yellow line, ideally.
Okay.
Let's see it then.
Speak you at another challenge.
Go for it. Oh! Miss bay 1. Miss bay 2. It's in bay 3, but there it is. It's there. Level with bay 3.
No point.
Go on then, one more go.
2 each?
Yeah, 2 each is good. Got it over the barrier.
Oh.
Didn't get any stop though.
Needs to be a bit easier.
Oh, straight back at ya.
Bit of ground first.
There we go. Right, so bay 3 to beat.
Yeah. Good start. That's what we like to see.
Got the ground first. Here we go, this one.
Oh, that bounced over.
It landed in bay 3.
That's miles away.
Bay
I won't
3
even
to
bother
beat.
walking down there.
Bay 3 to beat. So over the barrier is achievable. Getting it in bay 1 is a challenge. Oh, Dunch. You caught the ground first. Bounce into the barrier.
You've got
Strike's got to be perfect.
yeah, it has.
Oh, very good. Bay 2. There she blows. Bay 2. Well done, Matt. That was good. Right. Bay 2 to beat. I reckon bay 2 is almost it. Right, this space is open. This could be coming back to my ankles.
Oh,
That was the one.
there it is, back in his hand already.
If I just struck it better, I think that was the one. This is it. Got the ground first on both of those.
Last
You got
goes.
one up. Last one. I felt like they would have got in bay 1 if I just struck it properly.
Just got to commit to it, but not hit it too hard. It's just really hard.
Oh, that was close. That hit about there at the top of the bay. That would have gone in bay 1 if it had just snuck over.
I love one of them. Recoil.
Oh, duff. There it is. Look at that right next to the other one. There you go. Right, this is it.
Pressure's on.
I actually feel nervous.
Especially with them shins.
Here we go.
Oh, bay 3.
Bay 3.
Unlucky.
Put it up. Here we go there.
Oh.
This is it.
Oh.
Complete duff. That's very annoying, but there you go. Over the bay 1. Over the barriers bay 1 is not achievable. Never mind.